Hello everyone. Welcome to another beginner tutorial in C language. In this video we are going to learn about how pointers are used with arrays. First, we are going to initialize an array of 5 integers. Then I am going to print each element with its memory address. Then let's see how to access the memory address of each element in 2 ways. Let's first check the memory address of value 2 and then check the memory address of value 4. Let's compile the program and run. You can first identify the memory address of each element. Then you can see that we have obtained memory address of value 2 by both methods we used. You can check results for value 4 as well. Then I am going to change the value of index 1 to 9. So the value 4 in the array should be changed to value 9. Let's print the array and find out the results. Again, let's compile and run. In results you can see value 4 is replaced with value 9. That is it for this video guys. So hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel if you find this video interesting.